I'm going to be adding some kitchen scraps into the center of this Langham style circle bed. Got 2 of them here to do. I guess that's enough. Put some banana peels in there. And Mrs. likes avocado, so there's some peelings of that in there. Eggshells, rind from a melon. And I got some aged cow manure here I'm going to stick on here. The worms are going to like that. We'll go ahead and chop that up a little bit. I think we can get more of those kitchen scraps in there. I'm going to build it up a little bit. What we're doing is, like I talked about in the last video, I want to attract worms. And worms will eat all this stuff. That looks pretty good right there. I think I'm going to add a little bit of some compost here. Get that in there. A little more in there. And now we got to cover it. And I don't have any straw right now, so we're going to use grass. This is raked up from our lawn. That's a nice thick layer of mulch. Okay, we'll put a little around on the bed. The potato onions will poke right up through that. I don't like using a lot of mulch in the beginning, especially now it's early spring and we still got a lot of cooler temperatures and we're going to be getting rain. So we're good for that. There. That is a wrap. Langham style circle bed. The center was filled with kitchen discards and aged manure, and then thickly mulched with this grass. So appreciate you for watching.